Rallying is also something where you think about the safety. And rallying is done in the safety on the roads which are closed. So the roads are never open. And there are people, we want to see them to come to see the roads and the cars and to be spectating, but in a safe way, in the safe places. And that's how we want to create a safe environment for everybody to enjoy and cheer for the rally. And when you move and when you are out there, it would be very nice to use these kind of wristbands, reflecting things, because when you move in the darkness, it's difficult to see. Even in my home country, in Finland, which is very, very far in the north, and it's snow, and it's dark, and it's cold, and we use these that we can recognize when the pedestrians are walking, when they are on the side of the road or crossing the road. And here in the darkness, I would also want to see you young students using these, that the other people can recognize you, and especially the ones who are driving the cars.
And to really unveil a campaign focused on raising awareness of road safety public schools across the country. And to bring this in life, you heard, Yari, that we have got these wristbands that we want to give you. We will be distributing 10,000 of these wristbands to students around Kenya. So this wristband is very easy to wear, as demonstrated. You can also use it as a ruler. Whenever you're going home, please wear it, because it's a lot easier to just wear it. It's reflective, and anybody who's driving can actually see you when even you're walking in the dark. Sivyo? Muefahamu? Excellent, excellent. So they will glow, and this is really to be designed to, like I said, reflective glow at night, assist in improving the visibility. And together with NTSA, one director, we shall design really the road safety training material that the children and teachers can use as a catalyst of inclusion of topic into, I think, our school curriculum going forward. I think this is something that we really want to do.